So first, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you let's important updates about Kakis coin, its price prediction this year mega balloon because right now this meme coin is crushed here too much and right now we are on its all time low here and still there's no Binance Coinbase listing for this meme coin. So is it possible that we can see Kakis listing in Binance and Coinbase in coming just few months here or no? So it will be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here, and this meme coin is very amazing and it can be the next Pepe also because this is new Elon Musk meme coin 2025. Elon Musk himself promoted this meme coin on X, changed his profile from Elon Musk to Kakis. After that, this meme coin was a massive trend in crypto market. So now it's definitely possible that in this year mega balloon super cycle meme coins mega balloon, Kakis is also potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin. But friend, before that, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description and also my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, get these addresses and support Sky Crypto channel for 1000x potential meme coins. Just now, I can see, I think 1 month ago, I share you this meme coin's name was American Coin USA symbol and I share this meme coin with you and right now more than 200% up than that video. Okay, you can see 20th January means today I share this in Telegram, but YouTube video was I think 20 or 25 days old, so you can check this video and check out this price at that time and right now this meme coin is more than 200% up and recently I share you many other meme coins with you. Stress Kakis current price is right now $0.029, drop almost 32% in last 24 hours, 55% last 7 days, 66% last 14 days. Right now, this meme coin is in massive dip here. Right now, only $29 million market. Okay, only $29 million market. So right now, market is looking super low here. $72 million trading volume in the last 24 hours. Trading volume is still good because still there's no Binance Coin Base Exchange listing for this meme coin. 1 million coin supply, all in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. New Elon Musk inspired meme coin. 35 Frog theme meme coin, just like Pepe. 45 meme coin, AI meme coin, Prodi meme coin, so narratives about this meme coins are amazing, especially this narrative AI meme coin and Elon Musk inspired meme coin, and obviously Frog theme meme coin because Frog will rock this bull run as we have Pepe, we have Hoppy, we have many other Frog theme meme coins just like Bread. Right now we are 92% of first 92% down the all time high. They were 19 days ago and 4100% up this all time low. The one 17th December coin has already killed 4 0 since its launching, but right now at 1 0 in its price because of recent market crash. And these are the central exchanges where this coin listed. I'm holding this coin on MEXC already, and there's no any tier one listing for this coin, no crypto.com Bybit yet for this coin. But definitely, as Elon Musk has promoted this meme coin few days ago, so that's why this meme coin has massive hype in crypto market, and friends it's definitely possible that in coming few months when we start officially crypto bull run, then this meme coin has potential to be the next Pepe because you can see Cactus Maximus launch Pepe. Okay, as we have already Pepe coin that is listed on Binance exchange, but this coin is launch Pepe and has high chances to get next listing for Binance Exchange and be the next $1 billion market meme coin. You can check out all further details here. Okay, this coin is looking awesome, friends. You can see. So now my price prediction about Kakis coin is that as its current market cap is just $29 million, but this is the meme coin that have potential to be the next $10 billion market meme coin. Okay, from just 29 million to maybe $10 billion in next 10 months. That will exactly 300x from here. If this coin can reach just $9 billion market cap from its current market cap, then that will be the 300x from here, and $9 billion market cap for this meme coin is definitely possible because AI category meme coin Elon Musk new meme coin 2025 and awesome narrative, a frog theme meme coin. So definitely friends, it's definitely possible that we can see its listing on many major central exchanges and its market around 9 to 10 billion dollars in this year super cycle meme coin bull run. And because there's still no any tier 1 listing for this meme coin, so definitely when this will be listed on Bybit, KuCoin, Kraken, Coin W and other major central exchanges just like Binance and Coinbase, maybe in the second quarter of this year. At that time, definitely Kakis has potential to be the next $9 billion market. So what's your prediction about Kakis coin? You can box comment down below.